وقاسمهما إني لكما لمن الناصحين.
And he swore to them, I am truly your sincere advisor. Message from this Ayat. Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, and Hazrat Hawa, peace be upon him, couldn't imagine that someone could lie by swearing in the name of Almighty Allah. But Iblis did it. However, the lesson from this incident is that he changes the names of things to deceive both. He named the tree of iniquity as the tree of eternity. All the devils today are walking on the path of same devil. They declared alcohol to be a refreshing drink for the soul, made nudity fashionable, obscenity as civilization, and declared adultery as a sign of openness and liberty. So remember, no matter how cute these names are, don't be fooled by them.